What if daily walking became the turning point to your fitness and longevity story? What if starting with just 5 to 10 minutes of walking every day could recharge your energy, melt away that midlife stiffness, and help you feel strong, confident, and vibrant again, even through the busiest holiday season? If you're feeling more tired than usual, if you're sitting way too much, if your body feels older than you are, this is your moment. Walking can change everything, not overnight, but step by step. One simple free habit that hands your power back to you. Hey, it's Wendy. I help women 35 plus rebuild real strength, confidence, and vitality with simple daily habits that actually fit their busy lives. Walking is the one habit that completely transformed my life. It helped me drop over 80 pounds, feel strong again, and heal from years of overwhelm. And now it can do the same for you. A few years ago, my life felt heavy. My stress was at that off-the-charts level due to enormous family issues. My energy was gone, and exercise, well, just forget it. I barely had the strength to think about it. So I started with what I could handle, and that was walking. It started with 5 minutes that turned into 10, and that 10 turned into 20. That tiny habit became my anchor. It saved me. It gave me the space to breathe, to think, and to reset. And it helped me smile again. And most importantly, when I started, I didn't need a perfect plan, or I didn't need endless outside motivation. It was just one simple step forward every single day. Right now, especially in December, most of us are living a lifestyle our bodies were never designed for. We sit all day, work, screens, holiday prep, then we sit all night. Parties, family gatherings, cozy evenings that turn into hours on the couch. And that sitting brings real consequences: stiffness, low energy, random aches, even slower metabolism. But here's the thing your body wants you to remember. Movement is life. Your biology craves it. When we don't move, we slowly lose strength, balance, and vitality. When we walk, we get it all back. And the best part, a quick walk in the morning sets us up for an energized day and good night's sleep. And an evening meal boosts digestion, steadies your energy, clears your mind, and keeps you feeling strong through the festivities. So you can enjoy every moment without the January regret. So that's why I create the Step Into Your Power walking series. We're going to build your walking practice, simple, realistic steps that add up to more energy, strength, and confidence. No overwhelm, no complicated routines. Start today by laying the foundation, then we'll add mindful walks, gentle strength, faster intervals, and more. All designed for real life. Stick with me through the series, and walking will become your quiet superpower. Everything in this series rests on one idea: move well, move often, and move with intention. And here are the foundations that we'll be building in this series. Move well. Start by noticing where you are today. What's your weight? How well do you eat real food? How's your sleep? How often do you strength train? How much do you sit all day? How much water you drink? How's your posture when you move now? And your overall wellness? No judgment, simple notice. This awareness becomes your starting point and sets you up for long-term success. Break the sitting cycle. Most of us today sit far more than our bodies were designed for. Even a short walk wakes up your circulation, loosens your joints, supports digestions, lifts your mood, and boosts your metabolism. Every step you take interrupts the wear and tear of too much sitting. Small breaks, they add up in a powerful way. You want to practice discipline as self-love. Choosing to walk even when you don't feel like it is an act of self-care. It's not punishment, it's a deep respect for your future self. Track your steps. Awareness builds consistency. When I started, I set a simple minimum of 4,000 steps a day. It gave me something real to aim for, and it kept me moving when life got heavy. So notice your number today. No judgment, just curiosity. It doesn't matter where you begin. Pick a number, start there. Over time, this tiny bit of awareness becomes motivation, inspiration, and real progress that you can feel on the inside. And get outdoors when you can. Nature heals in ways that we often forget about. Fresh air softens stress. Sunlight lifts your mood. Quiet surroundings help your nervous system settle. Even a few minutes outdoors can clear your mind and bring your energy back in a way that indoor walking simply cannot. When life feels heavy, step outside. Let the world remind you that you're a part of something bigger and more beautiful than your busy day. Take a friend with you when you walk. Walking with someone you trust can make your whole experience feel easier and more joyful. A friend brings connection, laughter, and support in ways that lift your whole day. And here's a few benefits. Better consistency. You know, when someone is waiting for you, you show up. It becomes a shared habit instead of something you do alone. You have a better mood. Conversation, smile, and shared moment reduce stress and boost those feel-good hormones. It's better health. You naturally walk longer and you move more when you're with someone else. Sometimes time just gets away, which increases your steps without forcing it, and you have a lot of fun. A walking friend keeps you motivated, makes the habit feel fun, and reminds you that you do not have to walk this path alone. And practice mindful walking. Mindful walking helps you slow down on the inside, even while your body moves. Think of it as a gentle walking meditation with your eyes open. Instead of rushing through your walk or thinking about everything on your to-do list, you simply notice what's around you. The sound of your feet on the ground, the air on your skin, the colors, the light, the sky. You'll be blown away with that. I was. Your breath moving in and out. This kind of presence helps you appreciate your body, your walk, and the moment you're in. It calms your mind, lowers your stress, and brings peaceful focus that lasts long after the walk is over. Mindful walking turns your daily walk into a small meditative break for both your mind and your body. And so one small step for the day. Let's bring everything we talked about into one tiny action you can take right now. Your small step today is to start with a 5-minute walk. That's it. 5 minutes outside if you can, 5 minutes to breathe, 5 minutes to reconnect with your body. As you begin, remember the basics. You're going to walk tall. You're going to want to relax your shoulders, let your arms swing naturally, feel your feet land with each step. Notice how your body shifts. Notice how your mind quiets. Notice how you feel just a little more like yourself. 5 minutes might not seem like much, but it has the power to change the direction of your whole day. Small steps create momentum. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds transformation. This is where your journey begins. And if you're ready to make walking your sustainable superpower, I invite you to join my fitness and longevity newsletter, and I'll send you our free Step Into Your Power walking guide. And inside that guide, you will find a simple 5-step beginner plan, a mini walking tracker, and tips that help you stay consistent in real life. It's your clear roadmap to feeling strong and energized again. You'll find the link in the description, and I'll put it in the pinned comments. So get that today while it's still fresh in your mind. And your reflection question. So in the comments, tell me, what do you hope walking could give you right now? More energy, less stress, a clearer mind, a moment to yourself? There's no right answer. Just share what you're hoping for. If this spoke to you, please go ahead and hit the like so I know to keep making more. Share this with one friend who needs support, especially during the holiday rush. Subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications. New videos drop on a regular basis to keep you stepping through this series and the other 2-minute fitness tip series that we're creating. Do not leave without grabbing your link to the free Step Into Your Power walking guide. It's waiting for you in the notes. You've got this. One step at a time, walk into the strongest, most powerful years of your life. If you ever need help, reach out. I'm here for you. I'm Wendy, wendybottrell.com. Thanks for being here. Enjoy.